Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican yellow vegetable rice. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Then I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're going to use to make the yellow vegetable rice. So this is the rice I'm going to use, jasmine rice. So here I have one large sweet pepper diced up, one large onion diced up. This is 5 cubes of garlic diced up. Here we have 3 stalks of scallions chopped up. This is the mixed vegetables I'm going to use. I'm going to use some turmeric for coloring. Here we have some pimentos, have some sea salt, some fresh thyme. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoning, 1 coconut. Also, I'm going to use coconut oil. This is the pot I'm going to use to make the yellow vegetable rice. I'm going to turn on the stove. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'm going to saute the onions. So I'm just sauteing them for 2 minutes just for them to release the flavor from them. Now I'm going to go in with the garlic. Add the pimento. Now I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Now adding fresh thyme. Now I'm going to add the scallions. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Half tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. One teaspoon sea salt. Now I'm going to turn down the stove on low. Cover the pot. Go in and blend the coconut now. So now I'm cutting it up for the blender to blend it easy, so it don't jam the blender and make it burn up. Alright, now I'm going to blend the coconut. Going to add water. So I'm just going to off the blender with the water. Alright, blend. Now turn up back the stove. Going to add the coconut milk, and this is like 3 cups of coconut milk. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it up for it to come to a boil and go and wash the rice. So I'm going to wash 3 cups of rice, and this is 2 cups of rice. One more, make it be 3. Now you want to wash the rice until the water come clear. So I'm washing it one more time. I'm going to add the rice. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add the butter. Alright, now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam for 15 minutes before I add the mixed vegetables. Okay, already 15 minutes since the rice steaming. Now I'm going to fluff the rice. If you're using a non-stick pot, be careful, do not try to scratch the pot, okay? Remember always to use a fork to fluff your rice. Do not use a spoon. The spoon dig into the rice and make the rice come out soft, okay? Now I'm going to add the mixed vegetables. The reason why I add the mixed vegetables last because it cook already. I don't want them to overcook, so I did not try to put them before, okay? Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes, so a total of 20 minutes. Just for the vegetables them to steam into the rice. Okay, my people, here you have it. Turn off the stove. See how nice and shelly this is. Now I'm going to share a plate. So here you have it, Jamaican Yellow Vegetable Rice. Cannot wait to eat some. Mmm. This is so good. Alright, my people, let me know in the comment what would you eat this rice with. And thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.